Okay, I've got my kindling fire burning. The stove has been burning for about 10 minutes. The wood went really quick, so I actually added in just a little bit more kindling because I'd walked away to go film another stove by the time I got back. So I'm gonna give you guys these readings. Top of the stove is sitting at 178 degrees in the front corner, 151 in the front center, 183, 190 in this right hand corner over here. Side panel sitting at 144 on the left, 197 at the top right. So it does seem like the right hand side of the stove here might tend to be a little bit hotter. So again, this is only about 10 minutes in. Well, I guess it turned out being 3 small little handfuls of this tiny little kindling behind me. I'm going to go ahead and head into my medium burn and add in some medium logs. All right, I'm going to update you guys with some temperature readings on my medium burn. The top is heating up quite quickly. Sitting at 374 degrees over here on the right hand side. Left hand side, I'm sitting at 310. Side panels, 185 degrees. So if you can see this, there's like a little bit of smoke coming off the top. This is the paint curing on here. So this is why it's super important to have some ventilation going on so that you're not breathing all of this in. So this is gonna be the update on my medium temperature readings. So I am dead down into my medium burn, and now I am going to head into my hot burn. I have been burning this now on a lower setting. I've kind of just been redoing the kindling 2 different times now to keep it at the medium burn because I felt like the stove was getting really hot and it wasn't quite ready to have that full burn. So right now I am about 2 hours into burning the stove, and now I'm going to be heading into my hot burn. I'm going to give you guys some temperature readings right now on the stove so you can see kind of the temperature I kept it. Top of the side panel's at 195. Cooktop sitting at 240. 262 in the right hand corner over here, and again the right hand side was tending to be a little bit hotter than the left hand side. So I'm gonna go ahead and load up and take this into our hot burn. I got my temperature gun and I am ready to give you guys hot temperature readings. This stove has now been burning for about 6 hours, and I'm gonna give you guys some readings. Top front of the stove is at 297. 417 is what I'm getting in the back corner of the stove over here on the left hand side. The right hand side, I'm getting 390 in the back. 535 here actually in the front corner of the stove. So 535, that's pretty hot. You could definitely cook on that. 413 on the side panel at the top. Down by the floor, we're sitting at 104 degrees. Inside this box gets about 105 degrees. So if you had like potentially a little bit damp wood, and you wanted to dry out your kindling before you're burning it, that's a handy little storage area to have there. So there we go. There's our update on the hot temperature burn readings on the Breckwell SW500. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this first burn video today. If you guys do like these videos, please don't forget to just give me that thumbs up. It helps me out so much when you guys like my videos. Also, click that little subscribe button in the corner of the channel and the little bell to get all the updates of my latest videos. I appreciate y'all being here. Thanks. God bless. Have a wonderful day.